Welcome to Yammer time. In this edition, we'll talk about the concepts of following and joining. Yammer is the enterprise social network for IAG. In previous sessions, we talked about the importance of having a good profile, controlling your notifications, and now we'll talk about following and joining. The information that appears on the home feed of your network is completely dependent upon what you're following and the groups that you have joined. The main feed has three settings that you can utilize. Discovery shows you content that's receiving a lot of attention and activity at the moment. All will show you all posts that you have permission to see across the organization in chronological order. Following applies a filter, only displaying information for people that you are following, groups that you've joined, and other topics and content that you've also chosen to follow. To save your configuration, make sure you check on the cogs at the top right hand corner of the list in order to remember your feed selection. You have the option to follow a number of different things on the network, such as people, content, files, notes, and also topics and hashtags. Again, these will all appear in your home feed under the following view. You also have the option to join a number of groups across the organization. Groups can be public or private. If you are going to create a group, we strongly suggest you make it public to start with and then make a choice later on as to whether you want to make it private. As you can see here on the left, the top 20 groups that I belong to, the largest activity and the most frequently ones I visit, are listed here in my view. If you are going to create a group, we strongly recommend you first of all search just in case that group has already been created, and please reuse where possible. Groups have already been created for business units, locations, special interest groups, and communities of practice across the organization. From the main groups page, you're able to see groups that are suggested to you based on people that you are following and people who are members of groups that you already belong to. On the My Groups page, you'll see a list of groups that you currently belong to, and on the All Groups section, you'll see every single group across the network. The search capability is both here on the Groups page and also from the Universal page search on the top left-hand corner of every screen. Thank you for reviewing this session. For more information, make sure you check out the Yammer 101 group on the network.